In this real review of Pinnakle, launching today, September 3rd, 2021 on Warrior Plus, brought to you by Mosh Bari. I'm going to buy the product so we can take a look inside and see if the sales page delivers on the hype of a 16-month big tech traffic experiment that has just begun and it's already making some marketers very rich. See how this brand new traffic pipeline feeds us autopilot commissions every single day. There is a VSL here, a video sales letter that runs 6 minutes, 37 seconds. It hits the high points here that you see here in these bullets. Brand new free traffic source, never monetized before. Let's focus in on that and make sure that we understand that this sales page is telling us that when we buy Pinnakle, we are going to tap into a brand new traffic source that has never been monetized before. Skim traffic off other people's videos. This basically tells us that we're going to take other people's videos and get traffic from them. Millions of daily visitors, zero competition or saturation. Insane organic reach and engagement, no paid traffic. Stunningly simple to get started. You don't need an email list, a website, or social media, or no following needed on that social media. This is going to allow you to build a consistent biz even if you're brand new to marketing. Scroll down the page, we find out that this is a first of its kind tech, and it's padding these accounts as we speak. And then you see a screenshot here of a YouTube channel as well as Google AdSense. And then some commission shots here from Warrior Plus, JV Zoo. Lexico LLC, in case you don't know, is Warrior Plus. And they're also saying it's going to fill your email autoresponder. You see Aweber here with subscribers. Just log in and follow these simple steps. Step 1, find. Grab a hot piece of already created content from right within our app. New viral ready video content uploaded daily for you to use. Enhance is step 2. Attach the special link. Use your own or grab one from inside the app. Step 3, scatter, meaning to repost this recycled content and let this experimental traffic algorithm funnel free traffic to your links, those being your affiliate links. So let's scroll back up to the top of the Pinnakle sales page, scroll back down and take a look and see that we can grab Pinnakle to save $99, usually $67 a month, today $19 one time. We're going to take a look at this claim, usually $67 a month, because this is the launch of Pinnakle and this offer has never been available before. So for them to say that it is usually $67 a month is actually false. It's fake scarcity. It's them using a marketing technique or tactic to make you think that this actually sells for more than what it's worth. And the fact that people are actually paying $67 a month to use this product, it is just not true. And you can tell that because this product has never been on the market before. If you simply search for Pinnakle as a product, you will not find it except for this sales page. Anyway, we are going to get instant access now. Before we buy this, we're going to exit off the screen to get a $2 discount by using the add to cart button here to go from $19 to $17, and we're simply going to click add to cart, purchase it, and take a look inside. Here's what it's going to look like when you go over to complete your purchase. You're going to see have a done for you money making site preloaded with funnel builder application and automatic traffic generation for an additional $9.99. This is what's called an inline upsell. This is an order bump. And it's an additional $10, but I have to question, why do I need this? Why do I need an additional preloaded site with funnel builder application and automatic traffic generation when I was buying Pinnakle for $17? That is going to bring me all the traffic I need without using any type of website and have everything done for me once I get inside of Pinnakle. So we're going to skip that, but if you wanted to, you could check it and you can see your price is going to go up to $26.99. We're going to uncheck that. It's going to go back to $17. You can also see here some more fake false scarcity. You save $153 or 90%. Because if you come back up here, highlight this, you'll see that they say the regular price of Pinnakle is $170. Where this figure came from, I have no idea. Again, fake false scarcity. It's a manipulation using a marketing tactic of saying this is the regular price, striking through the regular price, and then inflating your savings by telling you that you're saving $153, when in fact, you're actually losing $17 by buying Pinnakle. But to follow up on that, let's go ahead and pay and take a look inside. But of course, in typical fashion for products like these, congratulations on your purchase of Pinnakle. Your order is not yet done. Do not close. Wait, your order is not complete. What if you could click once and 50 to 100x the traffic coming in with Pinnakle and unlock unlimitless Pinnakle campaigns? Of course, if you exit off the screen, you go back and check the original sales page, you're going to see an instant discount of $10, so make sure you do that if you choose to upgrade. But go back to the original sales page and let's look at the sales page and look at this list of bullets where it says you're going to get millions of daily visitors because they're simply up for grabs, and all you need to do is buy Pinnakle. Scroll down and they're going to tell you, but can we please cut the BS? You know, so you'll think you get rich overnight without doing any work, but I'm not going to insult your intelligence. They've already done that with some of the false marketing tactics, but we'll go ahead and we're going to keep reading because he's going to uncut, because it says here, here's the uncut truth about what you can expect. Not unlimited lifetime traffic, but a heck of a lot of traffic for the next 16 months and beyond. So technically they did sort of kind of tell you that you're not getting unlimited traffic here. And then maybe it doesn't sting so much when you come here and now they're telling you that you can unleash unlimited or unlock limitless Pinnakle campaigns. And maybe the bad news is the fact that you bought Pinnakle and now you're going to be limited with the front order or the original purchase for $17. But I'm going to say for now, we're going to skip this because I want to look inside of Pinnakle to see exactly what we got before we get tricked by this false countdown timer here that is counting down to 7 minutes and 43 seconds, telling you the price is going to double. Because if we were to click access now, open that link in a new tab, you can see here that it is on sale for $47. Again, they're telling you the regular price is $470 using a false narrative of the fact that you're going to save $423. But what we're going to do is we're going to come back to this page and we're going to let this timer run down and see if this price actually doubles. So let's just skip ahead here and let me show you. As you can see here, hurry, price doubles in and the countdown timer is gone. I'm going to go back and I'm going to refresh this page. You're going to see that the countdown timer is no longer here. We're going to click the Get Instant Access, open it in a new tab. Of course, you can still see I still qualify for the $10 discount, as well as the price is still $47. Even though, again, I still qualify for the instant discount after reload, and the countdown timer has zeroed out, I'm still getting it for $47, just like I did a few seconds ago when I showed you and said that this was completely false, fake, to go along with the fake pricing that they've striked through on the sales page or on the checkout page, saying that you're going to save $423 or 90%. So if you can't trust anything about the sales page or the countdown timers and it's all false or fake, what do you think about what he is saying in this video sales letter or what he is saying on the sales page when you're getting ready to purchase, to spend your hard-earned money on Pinnakle? And while we're waiting on that timer, we're going to go into Warrior Plus, our purchase details, and we're going to access our product. Here we go. Thank you for purchasing Pinnakle. For accessing your account, please click below. Fill up the form for your account. Feel free to contact the support desk if you face any issues. Here's the link to the support desk. Here's the support desk. You can submit a ticket or view your existing tickets. It's nice to see they at least have a support desk. We're going to scroll down here and this button, click to register. Takes us over to the Pinnakle app where we have to register our account. Add your name, email, create a password, answer the CAPTCHA, and sign up. Here we are inside of Pinnakle. This is the dashboard. It shows you some statistics for your channel. You have to go to Google App Settings, and immediately you are presented here with Google App Settings and all of these terms of service and privacy URLs, and a Google Auth redirect URL, and some information here about the APIs that you're going to have to enable over at YouTube, and you're going to have to click here and import your account. And to do that, you're going to have to come down to Imported Channels, click Import Channel. Google App Settings not found, set Google API keys, so you're going to have to click this. It's going to take you back to the Google App Setting page, so I'm not sure what's going on there, why it just redirected me. Apparently you have to come down here to App Details and click Add App. Error, app name cannot be empty, so you need to enter an app name. Test. It's going to say success, app has been successfully added, even though I didn't fill out an app key or client ID or a client secret. And then here you can see that my new app name is inactive, or my new app name test is inactive. So we're going to have to figure all that out. So we're going to come down to training. That's going to take you back to the thank you page, and we're going to scroll down. In case you missed the updates below, these are the upgrades. What if you could click once? And 50 to 100 extra traffic coming in. The step 3 or the third upsell is done for you sales to order, done for you profits. Step 4 or the fourth upsell is put Pinnakle on autopilot. And then you can access your bonuses here. And then you actually get to your training videos. Then here you have a 5-minute demo video. Then you have a 14-minute, 46-second how to create your YouTube API and connect with Pinnakle. So you're going to have to take this step of watching this almost 15-minute video. You're going to have to create a YouTube API and connect that with Pinnakle. What this is going to do is allow you to use your YouTube channel and your YouTube account to actually search for YouTube videos. Then after you find them, you're going to watch this 3-minute video to learn how to create a video using the TikTok video maker tools. So you are going to use your YouTube account and your YouTube channel to connect to the YouTube API, scrape videos, find videos that you're going to turn into TikTok videos. And then after you do that, you're going to set up and create auto reply templates, and you're going to keep watching all this training. Make sure you go through each one of these videos to understand how to use the Pinnakle app. So back inside of Pinnakle, once you import your channel, then you'll be able to come down and come to imported channels. And then at that point, what you would do inside your channel, you would search and you would find YouTube videos, and then you would go to TikTok video maker. And then what you would do here is you would look at the TikTok videos here and search them. And then you would create videos here by creating a new video. You would search a TikTok video, and then you would use this TikTok video or the YouTube video, and then you would download that video. But they also sort of link out here to TikTok videos legal terms of use. But understand the idea here is to import your YouTube channel, connect your YouTube channel, your YouTube account to the YouTube API, find YouTube videos, take those videos, find TikTok videos, create videos, search TikTok, and then upload all this back via your channel manager back up to your YouTube channel. So in reverse order, here is what you're going to do. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to use TikTok videos, and you're going to put those on your YouTube channel. And this search engine here, if you come down to the search engine, you click on video, and this allows you to search YouTube videos. Again, the idea here is taking TikTok videos and uploading them onto YouTube. It's all very confusing, but again, you can watch all the training to understand that all this interface is doing is allowing you to search YouTube, which you can already do from the YouTube interface. Because if you look here, you can search YouTube after you've connected your API, results limits, order relevance, date, rating, title, video count, video view. Here they have something called radius, which makes no sense unless you're doing some type of local marketing. Here you can enter a channel ID to only search that channel, broadcast type, video type, duration. Here you have the license, which is any Creative Commons. Standard, of course, if it's Creative Commons. That technically means you can use it unless someone has incorrectly marked a YouTube video for Creative Commons. But the idea here is you are searching YouTube to find videos that you're going to rip off of YouTube and upload over to TikTok. And if all this looks familiar and this interface looks familiar, then maybe you purchased Viper, or you saw my Viper review that was launched in May of this year, May 30th, 2021. I'll leave a card up here in the right-hand corner to that review so you can see that this was the world's first robotic TikTok app that gets you unlimited free buyer traffic in 30 seconds. That was released in May of this year, 2021, on May 30th. And as you can see right here, it's the exact same interface. It's the exact same thing where you go to TikTok and you find these videos and then you blast them out to social media or vice versa. The idea here is always the same. You're using this interface to search for videos on TikTok or YouTube and then share them back out to TikTok and or YouTube. And of course, TikTok videos, they link out to the legal terms of service. Again, remember, this is Viper that was released on May 30th. This is Pinnakle. If you go back up to the TikTok video maker, you can see they link out to the same legal terms of use. And if you were to take a look at TikTok, you would understand their intellectual property policy and the fact that TikTok respects the intellectual property rights of others, and we expect you to do the same. TikTok's terms of service and community guidelines do not allow posting, sharing, or sending any content that violates or infringes someone else's copyrights, trademarks, or other intellectual property rights. Read this information on copyright to understand that all content posted to TikTok is protected under copyright, meaning the person that uploaded it owns it and you cannot use it unless you get their permission to do so. While we're talking about copyright, let's take a look over at YouTube Creator Academy and understand and take a look at an introduction to YouTube policies and guidelines and creating with common sense and YouTube community guidelines. Copyright. You should only upload content including music, videos, and artwork that you have created or that you are authorized to use. Otherwise, this could result in a copyright violation. If you use someone else's content on your YouTube channel, the copyright owner can submit a takedown request. If this is a valid request, your video will be removed from YouTube. You'll get a copyright strike. You can wait for a copyright strike, but if you get to expire, seek a retraction, or submit a counter notification, meaning if you own this or you have the rights to use it, you can fight this copyright strike, but if you get 3 copyright strikes, your channel is subject to termination. Again, all that is linked here inside of Pinnakle after you purchase it, so they're going to make you aware of the fact that you will most likely be in violation of copyright, because the idea here is to just search TikTok and YouTube and use these videos and share it out to the world. So at that point, we're going to go back to the Pinnakle sales page and we're just going to do what they ask, but can we please cut the BS? And we're simply going to cut the BS at this point because you see what this product is. You see that this headline, a 16-month big tech traffic experiment, has just begun. It's already making some marketers very rich. The idea here is you're going to take TikTok videos, post them over on YouTube, manage your channel from inside of Pinnakle. So the idea here is to take someone else's videos from TikTok, upload them to your YouTube channel, all while trying to remain within the guidelines, meaning that you're not infringing on anyone's copyright to the fact that the videos that they created and posted on their TikTok channel and their YouTube channel or wherever you find them on the internet belongs to them, and you cannot skim traffic off other people's videos and run it as a real business. Take it from me, a person that has 2, actually 3 YouTube channels and a podcast and is blogged and creates content for a living. This is not how you build a real business. So if you choose to buy Pinnakle, I'm going to tell you right now, because I'm going to cut through the BS, this is going to lose you your YouTube account. You are going to get copyright striked. No one is going to appreciate your content because it's not new, it's not real, it's not yours. So don't waste your money, don't waste your time. Pass on Pinnakle. If you want to know how to start and build a real online affiliate marketing business, link in the description takes you over to a free 12-step action plan. Click that, sign up, go through all the 12 steps. If you have any questions on how to build a real business, feel free to ask me, because Pinnakle is a waste of your time and a waste of your money. If this video was helpful, thumbs up, 30-minute timer right here in the middle of the screen. Click it, subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos just like the one you see here on the screen that I made myself. That is my own original content. Click it. Look forward to see you inside that video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.